Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of 4 featuring the Anastasia Sultry Palette. If you missed the first part, I will have the link down below and also put a card somewhere here on the screen, so make sure you check that out. As usual, the timestamps are below, and if you guys are wondering about the giveaway, the winner will be announced in part 3 of the series. Now let's get into this. My eyelids are already primed, and the first shade I'm picking up is Birch as my transition, and I'm picking this up on a Morphe E27 blending brush. Next, I'm going in with Teak. This has a beautiful peach bronze tone. The brush I'm using is the Real Techniques shading brush, and I did not use any setting spray or water for the shimmer shades because I wanted to really show you guys how they perform without all the additions. Then on my Morphe E17, I'm going in with Birch and Dystopian to enhance the outer V area. Next, I'm cleaning up the edges here with my Morphe E27 with no extra product on it. And then I'm going to line with a brown liner, applying this to the top lash line, bottom lash line, and also tight line. Using the brown liner instead of black softens the eyes, giving it more of a hazy appearance. Next, I'm picking up Birch on the E17 and buffing out the bottom liner. Now, I don't ever do my brows on camera because I find it so boring, but I decided to include it for a change. I'm using the Anastasia brow definer, and I just follow the natural shape of my brows, filling in the sparse areas. Of course, I added lashes and mascara, and that's it for this look. Simple, easy, and quick. Now this next look is so appropriate for Valentine's Day. Correct me if I'm wrong. I adore this makeup look. For this, I'm starting with concealer and setting powder to prime and erase any veins on the lids. I'm first dipping into Bloom with the E27, and I'm going to apply this to the outer V and then gradually building up the intensity. I also take this to the inner corner since we are going for that halo spotlight eye. And I stayed here a while working the shadows in, applying and then blending, reapplying, blending some more, all that good stuff. I also extended the shadow past the outer corners, pulling it towards the tail end of the brows. I really wanted the pink to show through and then frame the eyes. Next, I'm picking up Dystopian on the E17 and applying this to the outer V and also the inner corner. So basically right on top of Bloom, except I'm going to be doing some precision blending here. This is not going to be taken as far out as Bloom. Then I'm picking up Noir on a smaller brush and applying that on top of Dystopian to add some contrast. We are working in layers here to build up the intensity, so please be patient. I'm switching back to the E17 to diffuse the edges of the black into the brown. Next, I'm going to apply Cyborg to the center of the lids and all the way up to the crease. This silver metallic shade is going to give me that beaming spotlight eye. Again, I'm not using any setting spray on the brush for this. Now I'm going back and adding a bit more Bloom and blending it out since, again, I want that pink to be visible. And also going to intensify the inner and outer corners by mixing Noir and Dystopian, adding back some of that depth. Now I am reapplying Cyborg to really bring out the contrasting shades. I know this is a lot of applying and reapplying, but trust me, at the end of it, it is going to look amazing. Next, I'm lining the top lash line with a black felt tip liner. This is a very thin line hugging the lash line, and then I'm going to be softening out the liner with a clean pencil brush. Next, I'm going to be using the black eyeliner to tightline and bring out the intensity of the eyes. You can even use a silver liner. That will certainly give it a metallic, icy vibe to the eyes, which is completely different. Here, I'm taking Dystopian and buffing out the liner and then using Noir to intensify, making sure that there aren't any bare spots in the lash line. I'm going back in with Bloom yet again and applying that underneath the liner so that it frames the entire eye look and really pulls it together. And then for the inner corners, I'm using Cyborg and blending that in as well. And here's the finished look. Smoky with hints of soft and bright pink. I'm loving it. I hope you did too. Please subscribe, share, smash that like button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!